The blue jay came and flew at my window this morning.
God dang. Attack birds.
It's like they think I have food or something.
There are no such things called as birds. All government drones.
I just bought a second motorcycle today.
She's supposed to have oil on her.
It should be there.
Hey!
You can see it was running really, really rich.
Okay, so instead of going the rubber route, which I found to not be that high in longevity, that was doing a good job.
Oh, got added to the list.
Decided to go with Velcro this round. So we're gonna cut this stuff out, put on the Velcro. I think maybe we disconnect the battery so I have room for it.
Yeah.
Okay, we need a Phillips head. Negative first, all right? Kiddos, never positive first. I did have someone mention to me that they did not know if it mattered, like what order these different cables connected, and I would say it does not matter as long as you have good connection.
Especially ground.
Do not lose the screw. We do not lose that square nut.
Where's the little box?
So now you just push all these cables out the way so they're nowhere near that terminal, and that way you can work on the positive side without
Kind of use a box.
any arkies.
Yeah.
Scooch! Oh, I didn't need to.
Oh, it just came out.
We can go around in the back. On the same side. What? Velcro usually isn't.
Yeah.
Nobody thinks what I think.
You're not impressed with me?
I am thoroughly. At all times. Come on, Velcro.
I mean, the nice thing about it is we literally could have both ends meet in the middle. Like, if we have this one off in a little bit, like pretty long, we can reach it, like we can reach both sides to tighten both sides.
Oh yeah. You could totally do that.
I think it just connects like that. And then this one.
Your arts and crafts are showing.
Yes. Yes, sir. Use your fingies. I can't see jack shit.
I also think we should kind of stuff this guy in there somewhere.
Yeah, it's a bit. I really can't see anything in the shadows.
Shadows? Yeah. Oh, it's that wire.
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
There you go.
And that one's off immediately. Immediately, no. Do you want a second one for down here?
Yeah. D-ring, D-ring.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it rains for you?
And put the battery on and strap it.
Get all the wires out the way. All right, top strap.
Oh, almost there.
I didn't measure either of these. Good enough. All right, negative first, kids. In this case, it should be 3. It's a wire harness going to the front, to the back, and then one to that battery charger cable. Now, I struggle to get these stupid nuts to be at the right height so that you can actually reach it. What I like to do is put a small screwdriver underneath it, like a flathead, so you can lift it up as the person screws it down.
Here's the...
There you go.
I was like, where the fuck's the screw?
In your hand.
Yeah.
Can you tell we work together? I think we should zip tie this like up here.
Yeah.
Or
like
like maybe I do the cap around.
That'll come off. Yeah.
Aaron, did this get smaller?
It's colder, so could...
Like I know that the key has to go at the bottom to line up with this square, right?
Yeah.
and then this
That
theoretically
goes-
goes up top.
Yeah, so I think this wire is interfering.
No, it's at the bottom.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It has to go around the batteries.
Yeah.
Phillips, please.
Phillips.
Phillips. This slot needs to go on here, and it has to go around the corner of the battery inside of this bracket on this corner here. So the problem also is once you do get around this corner, this wire is a little too high for everything to seat in correctly. So we got to figure out which way to adjust that because it just is too tall, too tall.
Okay, I got this. I think we can like use pliers and straighten this out or something. Come on. Have faith, you can do it. Okay, made it
Flatter?
flatter.
Well, you could try.
Yeah, we'll try. Oh God!
He's trying it already.
God damn it, Sarah! Hold the flashlight right.
Just a second. Use my long nails. Okay, go. Is it catching? Is it catching? I may need a
Oh yeah.
Flathead.
Here, hold this.
ding 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 ding. Dig big. Come on. So I'm just doing this to ensure that there's no sneaky shorts to ground happening because this is a metal battery cover, which means that after we tighten it up and everything, there's a possibility other things could be touching the other metal, right?
Smart.
Nobody wants this. Now we do the thing.
Battery cover.
Battery cover, battery cover.
Helicopter, helicopter.
I think the funny thing that like got you really annoyed when we first got this bike is the key doesn't go all the way in.
Yeah.
It only like half goes in, you know, just the end of it.
Just the tip.
I said just the end of it. And then like you have to turn it really, really far
Right.
for it to line up.
It was extremely irritating. I'm glad you were around.
What is that? Oh, oh yeah. Battery cover, battery cover. Go around the outside.
Round the outside. Round the outside. Come on, line up, you fuck bag. Okay, it
We're
did.
lined up down there. We're on.
Perfect.
I think it's donezo.
Yeah, that was quick.
See, I like that. Hope everything else goes like that.
It'll be fine.
That was the moment. You were supposed to say yeah, 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 yeah.